know if you can hear me, but I got the camera in a camera protector, plastic Ziploc bag, because it is raining outside. So take a look at my Goodman. Unfortunately, I have the bag over it a little too tight, so there's not enough space to with the zoom lever, so I can't zoom. This is my last HVAC video before I go to Germany, which is Sunday, August 8th, 2010. I won't be back till September 8th, 2010, but luckily I'll still be posting videos. Well, here it is. Oh, there we go. Goodman GPH 13H 21AC serial 0809494294. 230 volt system. Goodman. And now I'm going back in because it is fixing to rain again. As you can tell. Focus. Last time I done the camera protector was with my old VX Z700, which was a lot thinner than this. I mean, a lot thicker. Out. First, I'm gonna get the camera. Nothing. There we go. Still working.